Hello my friends, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Tyra and today I became an affiliate, an ambassador, spice ambassador, whatever you call it, for Spice Affair, and I'm so excited. I've been eyeing up this company and their beautiful spices for some time now, and I just thought, yep, I'll send in the application. I got accepted and I only have a couple of their spices, but this will be our first video. And this is the maple sweet potato. And I tell you, oh, their spices smell just so yummy. This is top quality, my friends, top quality. Now this recipe we're making tonight, I'm looking over here at my laptop. This is the crispy sweet potato fries. Now I've made a lot of sweet potato fries, but I have not made them with this. So let's do that tonight. Let's give it a shot. Preheat your oven to 425. Put some parchment paper down on your pan. And yeah, let's get started. Now it's asking for 2 of these, and I have like this one small one, so we're gonna cut the recipe in half, but I will read the ingredients to you. Okay, so we are going to peel this and cut it into fry shapes. Okay, if you want to keep the peeling off, you can, or keep the peeling on, you can keep the peeling on. I just decided to take mine off. Okay, I kind of just sliced them all like this, and it says to cut them into like a 1/4, inch. So let's see. I would say about that kind of thickness is good. Doesn't have to be perfect. All right. Okay, here they are, cut into our little fries. Okay, it's asking for 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. We're not gonna do that much because I don't have as much sweet potato, so I'm just gonna do a teaspoon with my 1 small sweet potato. And then it's asking for a teaspoon of salt, so I'm going to do half of that. Okay. And then it's asking for a teaspoon of our maple sweet potato seasoning. Wow. I'm still gonna do a teaspoon because, hey, I want the flavor. All right, and next, 3 tablespoons of olive oil if you're using the 2 sweet potatoes. So I'm just gonna eyeball this. I would say that about does it. And then we'll just get a little spoon or use your hands and mix it all together, and we're gonna dump it on the tray. Here we go, all mixed together. Dump her on the tray, let all those beautiful olive oil, juices, and our spices get on the tray. Give that a good shake and probably just space them out a bit too. Okay, these are ready for the oven. We're gonna cook for 15 minutes and then we're gonna give them a turn, and then we're gonna cook for another 15 minutes. Total time, ½ hour. Okay, here they are, fresh out of the oven. Like I say, it didn't make that much, but let's plate them up and taste them. Okay, while these are hot, we're going to sprinkle on just a touch more salt. I'm using some sea salt. And then just a little bit more of our beautiful, beautiful maple sweet potato. Okay, and I just made a little quick garlic aioli with some smoked paprika. Okay, I'm gonna go sit down. These are really hot. I'm gonna sit down and then we're gonna try them. Okay, let's give these a try without the dip first, because I want to see how these taste differently with our spices. They're hot. So good. There's a little bit of sweetness in there. Oh my gosh. That's really hot. It's so yummy. I mean, these spices just take it to a whole other level, you guys. They're a game changer. Oh my gosh, they're such top-notch quality. I tell you, the flavor, it's just jam-packed. Let's try a little bit of my garlic aioli. I love garlic aioli. Yeah. I wish there was more, I didn't get to make very much with my little small yam, but anyways, next time I'll be making a lot more. All right, get your yam fries on and try out some of this. Yummy. Yummy, incredible spice. Have a good night, everyone. Thanks for joining me on my first Spice Affair video. Okay, I just gotta tell you something before I go. You want to know the ingredients in this? Why it's tasting so yummy? We've got the maple sugar and a bit of the raw brown sugar. We've some garlic and sea salt, onion, black pepper, some chili powder, paprika, red chili, and some cinnamon. What a beautiful combination. I wonder why they taste so good.